Hi everyone, my name is Mimi and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel. And yes, I have so much stuff to show you. Um, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are an old subscriber, welcome. This is the Mimet family. We deal with luxury, and luxury since the pandemic has been anything that is of high quality. So luxury doesn't have to be handbags. It can be, but it doesn't necessarily have to be handbags. It can be anything that is of good quality. So if those are the kind of things that you are interested in, then I will encourage you to subscribe to my channel. It's free. And yeah, let's get straight into this video. So today I'm going to be, I haven't decided, in fact, what I'm going to show you. I have a load of stuff. So in that green bag is I got from Harrods a few months ago, and that's perfumes, skincare in the boxes I bought recently from a seller called Naturalistic. That's the name of the website, but it's a different brand of products there, and they're to do with hair. Cordially, if you don't never heard of Cordially, they are a skincare product company. That's Pyrex, that's Le Creuset, that's Blendjet in there. I believe that's West Elm, which is a homeware company. That's UGG, and you won't believe it. This item, I've had it since last year, November. And the reason why I haven't actually unboxed it was because I was planning to return it, and they told me that I couldn't return it. And the only reason why I wanted to return it was because it was, I got something that's similar, kind of similar, um, and it was a bit bulky. But they told me because it was a special edition, it was a collaboration with Balenciaga and Gucci, that I couldn't return it. So that's why it's been in the bag, and I haven't actually unboxed it. I think what I might do today, I might do some homeware items. I'm not sure how many I will do because I've got quite a few. I might start with this, which is a frying pan. So that is a brand called Navis, and I got it uh, from Amazon actually. Not very heavy. Ooh, that's what it looks like. I've actually oiled it because I want to use it today. I'm going to show you behind. Show you the name and get in focus. That's the name there, and it's not cast iron. It's oh gosh, I'll put it in the information. It's my brain's frozen. It's the opposite of cast iron, but I'll put the word in across the screen because I can't actually remember it at the moment. Brain freeze. So that's the first item. I got that from Amazon, as I explained. I think I got it for about £27. I think it was. I'll put that in the description box or across the screen right now. So I've decided today I'm going to focus mainly on homeware. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I've got so much stuff to show you, but I think today it'll just be homeware. So I'm going to talk about what's in that West Elms bag, Le Creuset, and this Pirates item, and I've got a Blendjet item there. So I'm going to be showing you all that stuff there, and I'm going to move to a different location, so I'm going to be filming overhead just to give you an idea, show you a different angle, because I think it will be better to show you that way, more comfortable for me anyway. So the first item I thought I'll show you is this Pyrex dishes. So I got this from a retailer in, if you live in the United Kingdom, it's called August. And they sell so many items, and it's a catalogue kind of store, but you can go in person to buy the items. So I bought this. I wanted to get some containers. If you're one of those people that uses plastic, what happens is after a period of time, they disintegrate when you put them in the microwave. And I want to go away from using plastic and start using glass. So they were doing a deal in August, and these I believe are originally £16.20, I think, and they went down to, I'll just tell you, they went down to £10.66. So the reason why I like these containers is of the size, and also you get two, and you can put them in heat and in cool temperature. So that's so from oven to freezer basically. So I'll just show you. And one thing I have to point out is I had a big problem getting these, not because they didn't have them, but because a lot of them were faulty. So I had to buy and return quite a few. So this is the smaller one, which is inside. So that's what that looks like. And that's the larger one. So I have to put the comparison, put them next to each other if I can in this viewfinder. So you can kind of see what they look like. And what I did was I bought two. So times two. So I bought two sets of the same thing. And just in case I didn't mention before, you can put this in the freezer. You can put it in the oven. Obviously, you won't be putting this in the oven with the plastic, but you can put in the oven without the plastic. And then if you don't finish the contents of whatever you cooked, you can put it in the freezer in the same container. So once again, anyone interested, I think the offer is still on. If it is, I'll put the information down in the description box below. So the next items are from West Elms. So before I show you what's inside the West Elms bag, I also bought this item. It's a sifter, and it's from the John Lewis range. It's another department store in the United Kingdom if you don't live in England. And I got it for £2. And the reason why I bought this was because I make loads of lemonade, homemade lemonade, and I use a sifter. And I've been using a metal one, and what I'm finding is it's rusting. So I got a plastic one, and this was £2. So just in case you hear any horning, we've got some neighbourly disputes outside. People parking where they shouldn't park, and people blocking other people. So anyway, this is, the one behind is a runner, but these are like table mats. Times two. And the table mats, I believe, let me just see how much they were. So the table mats, they're two. They come in a set of two. Oh, sorry, I got it the wrong way around. Beg your pardon. So they come in a set of two. And this is the original price. There, I think it was... Everything is upside down. Sorry about that. So the original price was £22, I believe. Yeah, and then I got it for £4.95. So this is the runner. I'm going to tell you the diameters. So it's 90 across centimeters by length is 228.8 centimeters. And I don't know the original price of this, but I got it for £7.95. So these are the last three items. I thought I'll put them in because it can fit in the viewfinder. So this is my Blendjet portable blender. These are some scrapers, and that's my Creuset pot or casserole dish that I bought. So these are some, this is called, obviously it's from a brand called Kirabon. I've never heard of them. I got it from Amazon, and it's a dough scraper, and it's got 3 pieces: pastry, pizza cutter, chopper with handle, and measuring scale in stainless steel. So you'll understand what I mean when I open it. So this is how it comes. So I've got 2 plastic scrapers. Actually scratched, but hey ho. And then, so those are the 2. And then I've got this one, this item here. And this is the metal one. And the great thing about this is if you're going from a recipe and it asks you to measure the diameter of the dough that you want, so this is what you use. It's actually got measurements just down there. You can see that because of the light. Probably not reflecting on it. So it's got measurements down here. There you go. So you can actually measure when you're laying out the dough. There you can measure. You know that you've got the right diameter before you roll it out, and you just use that to scrape it. This is the plastic version of it, and this is the metal one. And you can use it for, it's supposed to be for pizza apparently, but you can use it for any form of dough. So the next item I bought was the Blendjet. Now I've been wanting to get this for a while. I'll just open it. Sorry, I forgot to mention, these are $4.99 from Amazon. So as I said before, I've always wanted to get one of these, but I've seen different versions of them and I wasn't really sure whether the website that was selling them was kosher. And then I forgot all about it. Because, you know, some of these websites, they're scams. And then I found out that I could get it in the UK in a shop called Robert Dyer's. So if you live in the UK, you can get these in Robert Dyer's. The only colours they had was this green and a black one, and I didn't want the black one, so. But I'm sure if you went on the Blendjet website, I'm sure you can get different colours, because I have seen different colours of these. So you open up like that, and this is the newer version. This is I'll tell you how large this one is. So this is 475 ml, and I know I've seen a smaller version of it which was much cheaper, that was about £25, but this is actually, so I bought it for 32, hold on a second, 32.49. It was originally 37.49. I got £5 off, but it was originally 40 something pounds. So they'd done a special offer, and then they'd done a further special offer. So I got it for £32.49. So it's the paper inside, and then you've got the blade, and I'm not sure whether you have to put batteries yourself. That's glass. And I bought it really because I wanted to take it to work if I want to do like smoothies, or if I want to do like small. I actually have NutriBullets at home, but if I wanted to do something at work, I could do it at work. Yeah, I was trying to say, so I don't have to do the smoothie beforehand. I could do it straight from the actual blender. So this is how it works. And I believe you charge it. Let me see if I can find the charger. That's the charger there. Charger. And there's the care booklet instructions, I believe. And yeah, these are the other, well, they've got loads of colours because I've seen them on the website. So I'll let you know if you want me to do like a separate video on this, let me know. So. And just so that you know, you can get, they have so many brands of you don't have to spend this kind of money. They're cheaper brands. I just wanted to get this particular brand. You can get loads of different brands on Amazon. So the last item is something I actually bought yesterday, believe it or not. Yep, yesterday. And that's the original price. 38 pounds, and I got it for £19. So I went to go and get, at the beginning of my video you saw cordially. I actually went to the boutique, the spa, to get some skincare, and they had this store, Le Creuset, next door. So I'd walked in, but they were busy. And then when I went to Le Creuset, it was closed because the lady was, she said she was the only one in the store, and she was giving somebody a treatment. So it was on the door that it would be opening in an hour. So I went down the end of the road. So I went to, they have this branches in Notting Hill Gate. They have them all over. They have a branch in Marylebone, which I've been to. I think they've got one in Clapham. But yeah, this is the one that's one of the ones that's nearer to me. So after I bought my Cordially products, I went inside here again to have a look, and I saw this little cute little casserole dish. Let's see, all this. So they only had it in this color. It was only in blue. I did ask them if they had it in any other color, but they said no. But it was something that I just thought it would be really, you know, when you just want to eat, make something small, a small portion of food. Yeah, so I just thought it would be, and it's stoneware, so I'm not sure whether you can put it in the oven. Hold on, let me check. So it looks like you might be able to put it in the oven, actually. Just, it shows it there, I think. And you can put it in the freezer up to that. So I think you can put it in the oven. The only thing you can't put it on is on the stove, and then you can put it in a dishwasher. I'm not sure what all these are, to be honest. I'm not. But yeah. So as I said, it was on sale from £38 to £19. So that's my homeware haul. I hope you enjoyed it. So those are the instructions. I had to use this to read it. So basically you can use it in the oven. You can't use it over a stove. You can use it in a microwave, and you have to let it cool down before you put it in the fridge. If not, the sudden change in temperature can cause it to break, basically. So yeah, as I was saying before, that's the end of my haul. My homeware haul. I hope you enjoyed it. What are we now? 13 minutes and counting. So I've tried to get everything in the viewfinder that I've featured in this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments about anything that I've talked about, put them in the comments box below. And if you want me to do any reviews on anything in particular, or you want to find out how I fared with any of the items, also put the comments in the comments box below. Anyway, before this video gets too long, thank you so much for watching, and support my channel by subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye for now.